Wonderful Ways, Class 5, English. This is a story which narrates the origin of the famous dish of Kerala named Aviyal. This story revolves around the theme ways are sometimes wonderful and we can use them creatively. It also tells us that Aviyal, which is a traditional dish of Kerala, is made from the vegetable scraps which was thrown as waste once. Now this Aviyal is one of the famous dish in Kerala feast. What are waste? Waste are unwanted materials. How do they become wonderful? They become wonderful when they are used creatively. Every day we generate lot of waste in our houses. Vegetable and fruit peels, milk pouches, food waste, paper waste, polythene bags, empty boxes, used tea dust, empty bottles, torn clothes, dust and other sweepings. Are we using these waste? No, we just throw them away. So we have to find a way to use these ways creatively. Children, do you know where's Travancore? Travancore is the southern part of Kerala, which includes Trivandrum, Kottayam, Koilon, and it was ruled by the king in the past. The story, The Wonderful Ways, is based on the Travancore Palace. Once, the Maharaja or the king of Travancore Palace wanted to give a grand dinner in his palace. So he ordered for a grand dinner. He wanted a traditional feast. He wanted his cook to make something special for the feast. A feast is a grand meal. When do we make a grand meal? We make a grand meal during festivals or function. This grand meal includes variety of dishes. In the afternoon, before the dinner, the king entered the kitchen just to have a close look or check the dishes that have been prepared for the feast. On entering the kitchen, he found there was a big basket full of vegetable scraps or bits there. He just wanted to know what was that. He wanted to know about the vegetable scraps and bits. He asked the cook what he would do with those vegetable scraps. The cook replied that he would throw them away. So the Maharaja got very angry and he asked the cook not to throw the vegetable pieces or vegetable bits, and he ordered him to make some dish out of those vegetable scraps. The cook was confused. He was not knowing what to make out of those vegetable scraps. So he was just looking continuously at the vegetable scraps and staring at them. But suddenly an idea flashed across his mind. An idea came to his mind. Let's see what was that idea. Even though the cook was in a fix or a situation very hard to escape, he wanted a solution. So, with the idea which he got, he thought he would move ahead. He cleaned all the vegetable scraps, washed them, and cut them into thin strips of equal sizes. He took a pot and put all the vegetable scraps into it. He poured little water into it and placed the pot over the fire. He took some fresh coconut, green chilies, and peeled some garlic. He took all these three together and made it into a paste. He ground the three into a paste using a grinding stone and added this paste to the vegetable scraps which he placed in the pot. He added little turmeric and little bit of salt into it, and he started cooking. A nice tempting smell started coming from the pot. He took some curd, whipped it well, and added this curd to the cooking vegetables. He added 2 spoonfuls of coconut oil. He took some curry leaves and decorated the avial. He was happy to see his new dish and thereby he named it as avial. He served it to the guests. The guests enjoyed the dish and remarked it was tasty. Thus, for the first time, a dish named avial was made from the vegetable scraps. Now, it's a famous dish of Kerala and we can find in the Kerala feast everywhere. This is one of the main dish of Kerala feast. Thus, avial is made from the strips of all the vegetables which was supposed to be thrown as a waste. Now let's see some of the word meanings. Survey, to look over carefully or examine. In a fix, in a situation or to escape. Flash across the mind. Suddenly think of. Sternly, strictly. Tempting, highly attractive. Commanded, ordered. Scraps, pieces of something. Whipped, moved fast. Lo and behold, what a surprise! Traditional, existing in the past. Feast, a large meal. What did I learn? Waste can be recycled. Reuse and recycle the waste product. Think of a creative idea to use waste materials.